Welcome back, my dear students. I am continuing the derivation here. So what I will do here now? So I will continue with the same here. Rho it is equal to rho plus d rho here, and into area I will substitute L and X here. L is what? It is the distance moved by the pressure wave. L is equal to, it is C into dt, as I have already taken here now, C into dt, minus X. X is what? It is the distance moved by the piston here now. So therefore that X is equal to, it is a V into dt here. V into dt. So next what I will do here now, this area as it is I will write it, I will expand these two terms here now. How to expand these two terms here now, V into dt here, V into that is dt here. So not expanding, so take this is as it is here, and already we have taken this is equation number 1 here, mass, this is 2 here. So yes, before compression that mass is rho a c dt. After compression this is equation number 2. But as for the conservation of mass, equation 1 is equal to equation 2 here. So therefore here now by law here equation 1 is rho a c dt is equal to rho plus d rho here into area in the bracket c dt minus it is v dt here. This is equation what we are getting here. It's by the conservation of mass we are doing this relation here. So next what happens here now, see here, this is here now, in this one of dt is common, we can take it out here now, that is rho a here c into dt is equal to, so rho plus d rho into area into, in this term dt is common, I will take it out here, dt in the bracket what it is left, c minus v, c minus v. So what is cancelled here now, a into dt, a into dt, here both the sides will get cancelled here. So it is rho c is equal to, it is rho plus d rho here, d rho, and in the bracket c minus p here. So what I will do here now, I will expand now these two terms here. Now we will expand this term, what happens? This is rho c is equal to, it is a rho c, rho into c, minus rho into v here, plus d rho into c, c into d rho here, and minus it is v into d rho. Now we need to take one consideration here now. One consideration will comes into the picture here now. What is consideration? We will see this term here now, v into d rho term here. V is what? V is the velocity of the piston, and c is what? C is the velocity of the pressure wave. See here, in case of that model we have studied, piston will move distance x, but pressure will move very high distance like L here now. It is far away distance it will move here now. Therefore the velocity of the piston is there here. Here in this case velocity of the piston is very less than the velocity of the pressure wave here. So therefore this total, because this total term is very small, so therefore it is neglected here now. This term will be neglected here in this case. After that neglecting of this term, and I will cancel this rho c here in this case, I will simplify this equation here now. So that equation is equal to rho v negative, I will take that side here now, the negative I will take that side equal to 0 here, rho v is equal to c into d rho here. This is the equation what we are getting here, call this is equation number 3 here, something here. What is this equation? This is the equation we got from the law of conservation of mass here now. So this equation is required in the next equation also. For that what I will do here now, I will write this equation here. rho v is equal to C into d rho is called, this is equation number 3 here. So next what I will do, I will take the law of conservation of momentum here. So now that is momentum here. Now by momentum law, it is conservation of momentum here. By the conservation of that momentum, how that means what equation? Because as the principle of momentum or principle of mass, always these are true. Mass is always conserved. It cannot be created, it cannot be destroyed here now. Similarly, the momentum and energy also conserved, cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. At any time it will be the same here now. Similarly, the two situations we are studying for the conservation of momentum here now. So before compression, one situation, another situation is after compression. Then the before compression, the momentum. Momentum, how it is? Momentum is F is equal to ma. It is F is equal to ma. F is what here now? Force. F is a force here now. What kind of force is applying in case of that piston and cylinder, that model here now? That is the pressure force here. So before compression, that pressure force is pressure into that cross-sectional area here. So therefore, before compression, that is P into A here. So next one is after compression, what happens? After, that is after compression here. After compression is, what about the P? P will be changes to P plus dP as I have told here. So therefore, P will becomes P plus it is dP. That area will be the same. Area will be the same here now. So next is net pressure force. Net pressure force is what? This is the difference between these two here in this case here now. So here this pressure is more here. That one I will take it first here now. Net, that is pressure force here. Net pressure force is equal to P plus dP here into area minus PA here. So if I expand this one now, this P into area, this PA will get cancelled. What will becomes here now? A into dP here. This is what? Net pressure force here now. So net pressure force also we can write here now, because F is equal to ma, as we have told here now, F is equal to mass into acceleration. That is the conservation of momentum law, this one, Newton's second law of that is momentum here now. So therefore, the net pressure force also we can write here. Net, that force we can write. Net force is also we can write here. That is mass flow rate here. Mass flow rate into the velocity here. Okay, mass flow rate into velocity. It is m into area. Mass into acceleration. It will also give a force here now. So mass into acceleration, or else mass flow rate into velocity. Both are same here now. So mass flow rate, how to write here now? Mass means it is rho a L here, right? It is rho a L. Kg per meter cube, this will become a mass here now. Mass flow rate means it is kg per second here now. How much, at which time, that means what? That compression is taking place here now. That the time is dt here now. The dt into this velocity v here now. So next what I will do, as I know that is L is equal to C into dt here now. So therefore here rho a L is C into dt divided by dt into v here now. As we know, L is equal to C into dt, as I have already taken this one. So next what happens here? See here. Sorry, that pressure is A into dP here. A into this dP. The pressure already we have derived, that is A into that is dP here, no? and this velocity is change of velocity v minus 0 here, no? V only. So therefore here mass flow rate also we can write it here. So therefore this is equal to this dt will gets cancelled here, and it is rho a c into v here. As we have already derived at a net pressure force, it is net pressure force here. No? It's already we have derived. But this is also force. This is also force. Both are the same here now. So therefore it is A into it is dP here. A into dP is equal to rho A into C into V. Both are same here. Both are the force. Both are the force here now. So therefore this area will get, that is cancelled here now. So what we need here now, we make it this one rho V is equal to rho V is equal to here rho into V is equal to it is dP divided by it is C here. So call this is equation number 4 here. So now what I will do here, so you see this equation number 3 and 4 here. Here also rho V is equal to C into d rho. Here rho V is equal to dP divided by C. So therefore by equation 3 and 4 what we are getting here now, C into it is d rho is equal to dP divided by C. I will simplify it. I will take the C this side here now. This C square is equal to dP divided by d rho here. So next again if I again simplify it, C is equal to under square root of it is dP divided by d rho here. This is the relation for the C, where C is what here now? This is a disturbance or a pressure wave. Means what? It is the velocity of sound. This C is the velocity of sound here. Velocity of sound. Sometimes it is called as a sonic velocity. Sonic velocity here now. It is what here now? The velocity of the sound generally. It is not at a particular process here now. For generally, it is a square root of. It is a square root of change of pressure to the change of density. Means the velocity of the sound, it depends on the square root of the ratio of change of pressure to the change of the density here. This is the one basic relation what we are derived here in this case here. Sometimes up to this form only you may derive in case of the examinations and all. So sometimes some other form of this velocity of sound equation will be derived. We will see that one in the next video lecture here now. Next video lecture, same velocity of sound relation we will derive for the other forms and under some processes we will derive. Thank you very much.